Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, come on. Alright, that's a win. I'll take it. Oh, man. Alright, we're gonna change it up. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do the dollars. I've never got to do dollars in my life. I'm gonna do dollars. Oh, come on.
Right there.
Oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. First bonus ever on $25 bets. There we go. On dollars, anyways. Never done it on dollars. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes, thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. More, more, more. Oh, yes, thank you, thank you. Keep it going, yes, thank you. Oh, yes, thank you very much. Come on, just drop me a mini. I'll be okay with a mini. More or less a minor. That'd be freaking phenomenal. Phenomenal. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Something. Dang it. Oh yeah. Okay, Dr. Pepper time. All right, let's continue. Oh, come on. Come on, Mr. Bonus guy. Mr. Magical guy. Hook it up, hook it up. Got it again. Hopefully this time, come on. You better do it right this time. You better do it right. You better do it. Do it right. Oh yeah. Got that holding spin. Come on, baby. Throw me some colors. Okay. We get one. Come on, mini, minor, something. Any words would be great. Come on. Words. Oh, there it was. Oh man. It probably won't land though. It might be camera shy. It's like, no, John, we're not gonna land. Anything, anything. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, jeez. Hey, that's $1.50. I'll take that. I will not complain. Hell yeah. Guys, we're in the high limit room. We are betting $12.50 on the 50-cent denom. That major, or hell, the fucking grand is ready to go, baby. See if we can get it. Come on, give me that hold and spin. Come on, Oregon Ducks. Come on, Ducks. Oh, God dang it. This might be bad. Hold on tight. All right. Got a little something, something. Where were those wilds? Come on. Come on, wild man. Come show up for me. Oh, come on, re-trigger. Re-trigger. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Please be a good hit. Hell yeah. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. What's up, guys? We are on Sahara Gold. We got some balls. There we go. Yes. More balls. Oh, nice. Very nice. I do like those. More and more. Super more. Forevermore. Coin, 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 balls, coins, whatever. Something. Oh, it was right there. Oh yeah, and cha-ching, cha-ching. Hell yes. Sweet. Oh, come on. Ooh, three more. Dang it. Oh. Ooh, Taj Mahal or something, whatever you want to call that. Do I have enough? Screw it, let's do one more. And hey, broke out even. I'm good.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let us know you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to ring that bell to not miss any upcoming videos from us. Have an awesome day. Be safe and be healthy. Bye, guys.